leaders of the Gullah Geechee Nation today to join the spirit of your ancestors who been together back in the bush harbor and rather was in the prayers house, later in the church, for lift his spirit for going forward, for rise up and things like that like them be do kilo in them, for the stoner rebellion, and rather was Denmark Vesey and Gullah Jack them, who been a raise up there in a Charleston, Saskatchewan, and then they join our spirit, and that one was there from Beaufort, the Gullah statesman who go in Charleston and bring that freedom ship the planter back home to Beaufort. Yeah, Robert Small. The same track, one a civil rights leader like Ernestine, Tobias, Felder, been a marching and walking, and a human rights leader like a Dr. Carlie with cracky teeth boat, and then to keep that spirit going through the other rest, environmental leader like the Reverend Zack Lyde and things like that. And then that woman was standing mayor of American Beach, the beach lady, MaVynee Betsch, who been a fight for we all the way through from Nana all the way through the coastline. And our spirit and power blend right in with them right Towne in the Towne, like a people like a Elder Carlie Towne, who the minister information for the Gullah Geechee Nation, who had the vision for bring together the rest of the people like Elder Lesa Wineglass-Smalls from right there and show where people been a whole funny line and things like that. And rather was we Representative Catherine Braxton and Elder Rebecca Campbell, and when they joined together on Sullivan Island, where over 40% of the African people come in North America through, where he stole this young gal we call Marquette Good Wine, who 180 about now, the Queen Quet, chiefess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation, who the elected leader and rather was the spiritual leader who to stand with the other representative and thing upon the shoreline of prohibition and lift the spirit of the family, Yona in Florida, in Georgia, in the Carolina, and things like that. So when they cracky teeth at the UN and things that still stand for your people and the can't force the Gullah Geechee Nation right to self-determination. It had a world to yet about who he be and how he still got freedom fighter to quiet on ya for the Gullah Geechee. So then, now let the ancestors them down tall, but instead, they not stand together and they never fall. Because they're children of march, the soldiers in this army and things like that. And they know he have a fight, but make sure the next generation they know who he be and that we stand proud in the circle as we be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. So honor children, stand for your freedom and never let nobody take your rights from honor. Yeah, if honor want to know but who we be and how we standing on this shoreline, come for see we in the Gullah Geechee Nation.